Yo, what's up? It's your boy. It's the boys. ThatBoyNamedDyna. Welcome back to the channel again. And I got some guests. Dude. Alright. So we're at Chuck E. Cheese. We're celebrating Lincoln's first birthday. And we about to get in this pizza.
Yo, what's up? It's your boy. It's ThatBoyNamedDyna.
Yo, I got my nephews here with me. I'm about to put in my headphones because I don't want to get copyrighted, okay? Alright, so bear with me, guys. Alright, so we're about to keep this simple. We're about to have some pizza. Prayer has been said. We got some pepperoni pizza. I got my boy Tawa. What was your name again? Tyrus, yeah. Tyrus and his mom, they just came from Hawaii. They're finally here to stay. Oh, and we have Lincoln's oldest brother over here. We got Lovey, aka. No. We got Mishak here. Yo, we're about to get up in this pizza. So, yeah. Yo, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, share this with your friends.
You better before I haunt you. You're a YouTuber? I am good.
Yo, somebody tell this guy. Subscribe to my channel. Hi, boy.
Get some likes.
Yo, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe.
Look at Uncle Jay.
Yo, send some friends.
500 likes.
Yo, this pizza is. I did a mukbang like earlier.
500 likes and you eat all
Yeah, I did one earlier in the year for Percy's birthday party.
Oh, was the Parmesan pizza? Was chicken Alfredo pizza?
Yo, this pizza's flat. Chuck E. Cheese got some bomb pizza. Their pizza be on point.
Damn. With the chicken Alfredo pizza? Yeah, that was good.
So yeah. How's school?
Cool.
How's school? Cool? How's school?
How's school?
Not that good.
Not that good. Why not? Oh, colorblind. It's okay. Yo. Where's my cup at? Yo. Can I get a read? Yo, what's up? Brother South? Yo. Their pizza looks janky, but it's hella bomb. Alright. What's your guys' favorite topping on a pizza?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni?
Pepperoni.
Cheese?
Pepperoni and cheese. Cheese.
Alright. I'm gonna show you guys some of my nephews. Right there. Hi. Alright. So we got some cheese lovers, some pepperoni lovers. Dude, I'm a meat lover. I love
pepperoni lovers.
Somebody help Jamie find out when 9/11 Yo, so I did a video a couple days ago on 9/11 and Jamie was like, what month is 9/11? You seen him? Yo. The pizza's fire. I wish I had more. I wish I had more stuff to eat, but I don't. We just gonna have to enjoy this pizza. Alright? So, that's mine. Can you go refill it?
Someone took my coat.
There's more
My
over there.
birthday's on March 2nd.
That's more
Yeah.
Yo. So, as you guys know, I'm on this mission for 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So, help your boy out. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year.
And like silver.
Oh, the silver YouTube black? I need that.
Have you seen the 100 million?
Huh?
Have you seen the 100 million?
No.
It's basically the diamond one, but the plate, the actual plate point thing, it's diamond ruby.
Yo. So, I'm trying to do some.
Use gold jelly. I'm just kidding. Don't.
I'm trying to think of new content and some new stuff to eat. So, comment. Let me know what foods you guys want me to try. Yo, funny story. So my doctor, so you guys probably seen me with this brace. I have like tendonitis in my wrist, and my doctor's saying it's inflamed. So my other doctor was like, so what does your food intake look like? Okay, we got a ranch.
Let's go. Ranch. This will work.
Is there a cup for what? Can I get a cup of water?
Shout out loud to Chuck E. Cheese. They give drinks to you.
They don't.
The ranch is good.
Lawrence, can you give me a drink? Yo, Chuck E. Cheese got like one of the bombest ranches.
Yeah, I just went to check out.
Hands down. It's like butter infused or something. Hi, boy.
And this
What's
is
your name?
Friday.
So Joshua just got out of the hospital maybe like a few days ago. His appendix ruptured. Well, at least now he don't have to deal with it, okay?
Try and get 500 subscribers if we're gonna win our game. If you don't, I'll slap you.
Alright.
500 likes for our game tomorrow. If we're gonna win.
Yo, come on.
I don't think I'm gonna flip to those two knees.
Alright.
Uncle, you think we'll win our game?
Yeah, I think you guys are gonna win. Yo, if you guys think that Taape them are gonna win their game tomorrow, comment below.
Uncle, Trace is not gonna play.
Okay.
Trace is not gonna play.
Chase is not playing tomorrow. Why?
Yeah.
Oh, concussion.
Yeah, his head. He scoot over, Tawa.
Okay, Taape signing out so Joshua can tag in.
I can get signing in too. I can still see.
This one good?
Timo. Oh,
Look at his YouTube video.
hold on. I'm gonna bring my boy into the picture, okay? Say bye, Josh, real quick. Real quick. Say bye. Come back in. Alright. Check it out. Check it out, check it out, check it out, check it out. Alright. So my boy Tim here. This is his first time. This is his first time to Chuck E. Cheese. He's originally from Samoa. And he's trying ranch with pizza for the first time. What is it? Tastes good. Mangayo. Is it good? Yes. My boy likes the ranch with the pizza. Yo, we have an American here, sir. He likes pizza with ranch.
Over here.
He's like, can I try?
Making a YouTube to his video.
All right. Wait.
The first time we don't.
All right. So Tim's been here for. How long have you been here? Like 2 weeks? 3 weeks? Like 2 weeks. So
I've been lost pizza.
go ahead. Tim's been here for 2 weeks. Tim is Tim is from Samoa. He knows how to read. He knows how to read English. He knows how to write. He just doesn't talk. Oh, he knows how to, but he has that Samoan accent, and he's ashamed.
My bread though.
How you like it so far? How you like it so far here? You don't like it? He said he don't like it here. I was like, so how do you like it so far? He's like, I don't like it here. Oh, just kidding, just kidding. My God. How's school? Do you have any friends? All of them. Oh, you have other friends? Okay. My guy has friends, man. Okay. Yo, I know all the pizza ain't finished. Okay, maybe it is. Alright, guys, that's it. That's it for the video. That's it for the video, guys. All this pizza is all gone. Say hi. Yeah. We're gonna go. I'll show you how to use it, okay? Yeah, I might blame myself. So you know what? I always end up winning all the prizes for the kids. You win tickets. So you go use your card. I'll show you. So this is my boy's first time Chuck E. Cheese. I'm also gonna show him how to play some games. Okay? So he's used to it. Where all the pizza gone? Jason, why you get concussion, huh? No lie, your dad will nick you out. Your dad will nick you out. Hit you with the 1-2. Yo, we have no more food, so we're gonna call it right here. Once I go show this guy how to go play some games, and then yeah. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, share with your friends, your mom, your dad, your sister's brother, your grandma, your grandpa, all of them, your family members. Tell them subscribe to your boy. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna stick with the schedule. I'm about to do Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. So Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Those are gonna be my upload schedules. But if I have something interesting to upload, then I'll do that. Okay? Say peace out, Tim. Say peace out, Tim. Say bye. Bruh, say bye. Look at this. What the hell? Alright, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Please, bye. Hey, we have another. Say bye, Foley. Peace. And we're out.